I'm sure you're all wondering, why does this adorable woman help prepare people for their death? And I just wanted to tell my story and why I do what I do. And it started years and years ago when I used to do a lot of what we call probate litigation. And that's when someone passes and their family members argue over their money or anything in their estate. I handled several cases which I personally witnessed tear families apart. It was ugly. One of them lasted several years just because a trust wasn't updated. Another was an oral promise that a parent made to a child. Another was because of a second marriage and the original children got nothing. I could go on, but the point here is it just completely destroyed any relationship that the family had. They were arguing over money, over principle, and it was ugly. About the same time, I also had kids of my own. And as soon as we become parents, right, we start instilling our morals, our values, our ethics. I chose a community to raise my kids, which I thought would give them all the best. I started enrolling them in sports and social activities and all the things so they would become well-rounded kids. And I thought, what if something happened to me and my husband, right? Would they still get all of that? So I decided to open up 20 West Legal, this firm, and start educating the community about what would happen to all you have, loved, and created if something happened to you. No one wants to end up in probate litigation like one of those cases. Not at all. And I know I didn't want my family ending up like that. So I created things like a kids protection plan and other planning, not just documents, but mechanisms to ensure that your family does stay out of those messy, ugly situations. So if you have any more questions about my story or my background, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.